Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on your channel GetAssist. And in today's video, I will tell you 3 amazing softwares through which you can edit your video. Either you are a YouTuber or you are a professional filmmaker, you can use this application to make it professional look. So to watch this video till the end to know the 3 of the software's name. So the very first software is Adobe Premiere Pro. In this software, you can edit more and more videos professionally. In this software, there are a lot of elements like denoise, merging, color grading, stabilization and many more. By using this application, you can professionally edit your videos. This software is a little bit complicated, but yes, it gives you a professional experience of video editing. This software is paid software. That means you need to buy this software on a monthly basis, or you can buy it directly yearly basis, and you can do editing and on a subscription basis. Our second software is DaVinci Resolve. This software is absolutely free of cost, but this software is little bit complicated than our previous software, that is Adobe Premiere Pro. In this software, you can do a lot of experiments like color grading, color correction and filtration of the footages. This software also gives you the better experience of color grading comparatively to Adobe Premiere Pro. Our last software is the Final Cut Pro. This software only runs in the Apple devices. And if you want to take this software is paid software. For this software, you need to spend at least $325, but not monthly or not yearly basis. You have to buy this software as lifetime. Yes, once you buy this software, you don't have to pay again and again. You just have to pay one-time payment, and this software will be absolutely free of cost for you. So in this software also, you can do color grading, merging, stabilization, denoise, and much more. So these are the 3 different softwares through which you can make professional videos. Either you are a YouTuber or you are a professional filmmaker. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.